Every year, billions of personal records are stolen from companies you trust. Your email, your password, your home address, your bank details. But here's what most people never find out: what actually happens to that data after it's gone. Today, I'm walking you through the exact steps, from the moment hackers break in to the moment your information ends up being used against you. It starts with a breach. A hacker, or more often an organized criminal group, finds a vulnerability in a company's system. This could be an unpatched software flaw, a stolen employee password, or a phishing attack on someone inside the company. Once they're in, they move quietly. The average data breach goes undetected for over 200 days. That means hackers can be inside a company's network for months, copying data, mapping systems, and preparing their exit, while the company has no idea. When they're ready, they download what they came for: customer databases, email lists, payment records, sometimes millions of records in a single operation. Then they disappear. The company eventually notices, either through their own detection systems or because someone else tells them. And that's when the clock starts ticking. Now, the hackers have a massive file of raw data, but not all of it is equally valuable. So the first thing they do is sort it. Data gets ranked by how useful it is. Email addresses and passwords are high value. Full names combined with home addresses and phone numbers are high value. Bank account numbers or credit card details, extremely high value. On their own, things like just a username or a date of birth are lower value. But combined with other details, even basic information becomes dangerous. This sorting process is increasingly automated. Criminal groups use software to organize and score stolen databases within hours. What used to take days now takes minutes. Next, the data goes to market. And that market is the dark web. The dark web is a part of the internet that isn't indexed by normal search engines and requires special software to access. It hosts marketplaces that operate like underground versions of Amazon, complete with product listings, seller ratings, and customer reviews. Stolen data is sold there in bulk. A database of 1 million email and password combinations might sell for a few $100s. Credit card details with full billing information go for anywhere between $2 and $20 per card. The more complete the profile, name, address, email, password, phone number, bank details, the higher the price. Some hackers sell the data immediately. Others hold on to it, waiting for the right buyer or using it themselves. This is where it gets personal. Once a criminal buys your data, they have several options. The most common is phishing. They use your real name, your real address, and the fact that they know which company was breached to send you a message. That looks completely legitimate. An email from your bank, a text from your gym, a call from your mobile provider. The details are real, so the message feels real. The goal is to get you to hand over something even more valuable: your current password, your credit card number, a one-time verification code. A second option is credential stuffing. If your email and password were stolen, criminals run automated tools that try that same combination on hundreds of other websites, banking apps, shopping sites, email accounts. Most people reuse passwords, which is exactly what criminals count on. A third option is identity fraud. With enough personal details, someone can open bank accounts, apply for loans, or sign contracts in your name. This type of fraud can take months or even years to fully resolve. So, what actually protects you? The single most effective thing is using a different password for every account. If one service gets breached, the damage stays contained. A password manager makes this easy. You only need to remember one master password, and it handles the rest. Second, enable two-factor authentication on your most important accounts, your email, your bank, and anything connected to payments. Even if a criminal has your password, they can't get in without that second step. Third, stay alert after any breach notification. The phishing attempts that follow a breach are often highly targeted and convincing. If you receive any unexpected message asking you to verify, confirm, or update anything, go directly to the official app or website, never through a link in a message. Fourth, check if your data has already been leaked. The website haveibeenpoisoned.com lets you enter your email address and shows you exactly which breaches it has appeared in. It's free and takes 30 seconds. Your data has value, and there is an entire criminal economy built around buying, selling, and exploiting it. The companies holding your data don't always protect it the way they should. But understanding how this process works puts you one step ahead. If you found this useful, subscribe. Every week I cover real security topics like this one, clearly and without the technical noise. See you in the next one.